Hey guys, my name is James Mason with the Facebook group Transparent Traders. So in this video, I have 3 tickers that I want to show you to start watching on April 17th, 2019. And these 3 tickers, what we are looking for on the daily chart is a pullback. And then if it starts to trend in that direction, that's where you want to make your entry. So that's what we are looking for right here. So this is something that you need to do your own DD. I'm just calling these out for you to put on your watch list. These are momentum trades, and usually the way they set up, they continue to go in that direction over the next few days. So before we go any further, all I ask is for you to hit the subscribe button so you can continue to receive the content, and share some of these videos to get the word out so other traders can have the opportunity to learn for free. For the ones who don't know already, I have a free 40 video stock trading course up in the playlist section. So check that out if you didn't know about that. Alright, let's get into it. This first ticker AMED. This is a bearish play. As you can see, it met my criteria on the daily chart. This massive red candlestick, completely reversed on the MACD right here. The RSI is pointing straight, to the ground. So what we want to see here is we actually want to see this, pull back. We want to see this go up. And we want to see where it kind of stops at when it goes up. So this could just be within the first few minutes, hours. It could be a couple days. It just depends. Just keep this on your watch list. And once you see this go up and you see where it's struggling at, that's where you would take your position to write it back down. All right? And that, again, that is ticker AMED. The next one, ticker QCOM. So obviously Qualcomm had outstanding news today, and this is just a phenomenal green candlestick. I mean, there's nothing else to say about it. You can see it went up 23% today, but this is not sustainable right here. This thing is gonna have a pullback before it makes a new high. So that's what we want to look for right here. We want to wait for it on the daily chart to pull back, and then we want to take our position wherever it's struggling at. Now that time frame is going to just depend, and this is why I say you need to watch these. But find where it starts to struggle at and then uptrend, and that's where you want to take your position to ride it back up to its new high, or wherever you have the profit that you deem that you should sell. And the last one, ticker PGR. This is another bullish play, just like Qualcomm. So this ticker PGR right here. This had a decent gap up on the day, and then went up and it created its annual high right here. So what we are looking for is, it pushed up like that, the MACD reversed. It's hot right here on the RSI. So again, we want to see this pullback, see where it struggles, and then we will take our entry and then ride this thing back up, or to wherever we have profit. So me personally, I like to get in and out of trades quickly, and when I make my entry, I'll take my average, and I'll write down on a piece of paper percentages for 10, 20, 25, and 30% profit margin. I'll immediately take that 30% profit margin and put it on top of my average and create a sell order, and I'll actually place that sell order. I don't try to chase home runs. I try to be consistent. That's what this is about. So You may not do that. If you never knew about that, trust me, if you make a great entry, you'll pop off trades left and right if you do that right there. But that's it for this video. I hope this helps you guys out, and I appreciate you guys taking your time, and I will see you in the next one.